Website performance and accessibility are crucial for enhancing user experience and improving search rankings. Core Web Vitals measure these aspects, impacting user behavior and business success. Understanding tools like Google PageSpeed Insights and GTmetrix is vital for auditing and optimizing web performance, ensuring compliance with Americans with Disabilities Act, Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, standards for inclusivity. Core Web Vitals are crucial for user engagement and search rankings. Tools like Google PageSpeed Insights and GTmetrix help analyze performance. Americans with Disabilities Act Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. Compliance ensures accessibility for screen readers, color blindness, and keyboard navigation. Implementing these standards in production environments enhances both speed and accessibility, creating inclusive, high-performing digital experiences. Website performance is crucial for business success. Amazon's data shows a 1% sales loss per 100 milliseconds of latency. Google highlights that 53% of mobile users abandon sites loading over 3 seconds. Accessibility is both ethical and profitable, with the global disability market holding $13 trillion in disposable income. Speed and accessibility together enhance user experience, boosting engagement and conversions. Page load time significantly impacts user behavior. Google data shows a 32% increase in bounce probability as load time rises from 1 to 3 seconds, and a 90% increase from 1 to 5 seconds. Slow sites not only deter first-time visitors, but also reduce pages per session and suppress conversion rates throughout the user journey. Core Web Vitals are crucial for page experience, impacting SEO and user satisfaction. Largest Contentful Paint, LCP, should be under 2.5 seconds to avoid high bounce rates. First Input Delay, FID, must be less than 100 milliseconds to ensure responsiveness. Cumulative Layout Shift, CLS, should be below 0.1 to maintain visual stability and user trust. Page speed is crucial for search engine optimization, acting as a direct ranking factor through Core Web Vitals. It influences crawl budget, with slower sites being crawled less often, delaying content indexing. Faster page speeds improve user behavior signals like bounce rate and dwell time, enhancing rankings. Mobile page speed is now more critical than desktop for Google's mobile-first indexing. Google PageSpeed Insights is a crucial tool for speed analysis, combining lab and real-world data from the Chrome User Experience Report. It evaluates both mobile and desktop performance, scoring Core Web Vitals and offering prioritized recommendations. The tool provides a 0-100 performance score based on 6 metrics, using real user data from the past 28 days to identify optimization opportunities. GTmetrix offers a comprehensive technical analysis, combining Google Lighthouse data with proprietary testing. It provides detailed waterfall charts to pinpoint bottlenecks, like oversized images and inefficient code. Test from multiple global locations to understand geographic performance. Its video playback feature allows frame-by-frame load analysis, while monitoring features track performance over time, alerting to degradation. Web Page Test offers professional-grade testing with advanced configuration options. Ideal for A/B testing optimizations and simulating different connection speeds, it provides a film strip view for visual analysis. Test from over 40 global locations using various devices and connection speeds to gain comprehensive insights into your site's performance. Improving page speed involves targeting impactful issues first. Compress images, use WebP or AVIF formats, and implement lazy loading. Minify CSS JavaScript, eliminate render blocking resources, and defer non-critical JavaScript. Implement browser caching, use content delivery networks, enable gzip Brotli compression, and utilize service workers for offline capabilities. These strategies deliver immediate, measurable improvements. Digital accessibility is crucial, affecting 15% of the global population. The Americans with Disabilities Act mandates accessibility, with courts referencing Web Content Accessibility Guidelines as the standard. Notably, Domino's Pizza's 2019 Supreme Court loss highlights the legal necessity for accessible websites, amid a 320% increase in related lawsuits since 2018. Ensuring accessibility is both a legal and moral imperative. Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, WCAG 2.1, established by the World Wide Web Consortium, W3C, are structured around four principles: perceivable, operable, understandable, and robust, POUR. These principles ensure accessibility by providing text alternatives, keyboard operability, readable text, and compatibility with assistive technologies, making digital content usable for people with diverse abilities. UCAG conformance levels ensure web accessibility. Level A covers basic features, preventing major barriers for users with disabilities. Level AA, the legal standard, addresses significant barriers and is mandated by most policies. Level AAA, the highest, caters to specialized needs, recommended for specific content, but not entire sites. Screen readers transform digital text into speech or braille, crucial for blind users. Effective use requires semantic HTML, meaningful alt text, and logical structure. Popular screen readers like Job Access with Speech, Non-Visual Desktop Access, VoiceOver, and TalkBack interpret HTML differently, highlighting the need for standards compliance. Use proper headings, alt text, and accessible rich internet applications attributes to enhance accessibility. Optimize screen reader accessibility by structuring code and organizing content effectively. Use skip to main content links for easy navigation. Associate form labels with inputs using the for attribute, not placeholders. Ensure logical tab order and visible focus indicators. Write descriptive link text, avoiding generic phrases like click here without context. Approximately 8% of men and 0.5% of women experience color vision deficiency, with red-green being the most common. Design should not rely solely on color. Use icons, patterns, or text labels for clarity. Adhere to Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, contrast ratios. Level AA requires 4.5.1 for text. Level AAA demands 7.1. Test designs with tools like Colorblind or Stark. Select color palettes that meet Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. Contrast standards using tools like Adobe Colors Accessibility Checker. Avoid red-green combinations. Add visual redundancy with icons, patterns, and labels. Test designs with color blindness simulators in Chrome DevTools, Photoshop, or Figma. Ensure black and white prints maintain clarity of interactive elements and information. Keyboard navigation is crucial for accessibility. Ensure all interactive elements are accessible via keyboard, following logical tab order with clear focus indicators. Use Tab and Shift+Tab for navigation, Enter and Space for activation, arrow keys for component navigation, and Escape for closing modals and menus. Every mouse action must be replicable with a keyboard. Use semantic HTML elements like buttons and links for inherent keyboard support. Ensure visible focus indicators with a 3.1 contrast ratio. Maintain logical tab order, avoiding positive tab index values. Manage focus for dynamic content by moving focus programmatically. Regularly test navigation without a mouse to identify and fix accessibility issues. Wave by WebAIM offers visual accessibility testing with inline annotations, ideal for quick audits. It highlights errors like missing alt text and contrast issues. Axe DevTools excels in automated testing, integrating into developer workflows for comprehensive web content accessibility guidelines compliance. Lighthouse by Google provides a holistic site audit, offering an accessibility score and prioritized recommendations. In 2008, Target Corporation faced a lawsuit for website accessibility violations, resulting in a $6 million settlement. This case underscored the necessity of Americans with Disabilities Act Title III compliance. Target's response included Web Content Accessibility Guidelines 2.0 AA compliance, an accessibility team, and training programs, enhancing search engine optimization, market reach, and usability. Key lessons highlight integrating accessibility early, executive support, and regular audits. Speed and accessibility are intertwined. Semantic HTML enhances screen reader efficiency and boosts parsing speed. Alt text not only aids accessibility, but also supports lazy loading, enhancing page speed. Logical structure aids navigation and enables CSS inlining. Keyboard navigation reduces JavaScript complexity, improving performance. High contrast designs simplify CSS, reducing render time. Integrate speed and accessibility into your workflow. Start with accessible design choices and semantic HTML. Optimize images during development, not post-launch. Regularly test with keyboard and screen readers. Conduct pre-launch audits using Wave, Axe, and non-visual desktop access. Use page speed insights and GTmetrix for speed testing. Maintain performance with automated monitoring and quarterly accessibility audits. Google PageSpeed Insights offers free Core Web Vitals measurement with actionable recommendations. GTmetrix provides comprehensive analysis with waterfall charts. Web Page Test allows professional-grade testing from 40-plus locations. For accessibility, Wave and Axe Dev Tools offer visual feedback and automated testing. Non-visual desktop access and VoiceOver are essential screen readers. Use WebAIM's color contrast checker and TinyPNG for image optimization. Speed impacts business metrics significantly, affecting bounce rates, conversion rates, and SEO. Accessibility is both a legal and ethical obligation, with Web Content Accessibility Guidelines 2.1 Level AA as the standard. Use tools like PageSpeed Insights and Web Accessibility Evaluation Tools systematically. Design for screen readers. Avoid relying on color alone, and integrate speed and accessibility into your workflow for optimal digital marketing success.